Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Out here collecting some straw that's been drying in the sun for a few days since we've sived it, and got a couple more piles to pick up here. But I just wanted to really quickly show you guys the sour cherry tree here. It's got a bunch of beautiful fruit on it. I forgot to film the sour cherry tree kind of at the front of the property, but that one had a bunch of fruit on it as well. The missus and I have been kind of picking off the ripe ones. Not great harvest this year, honestly, compared to previous years, but what I think is happening is since I pruned the trees, there's slightly less fruit on it, but they're nicer and bigger. So these are actually quite lovely right now, and good size too. Some of them are getting to be quite nice and ripe and really sweet. So this tree is the one that I've shown you guys in previous videos, which seems to have riled up a lot of the Aajonus Vonderplanitz fans. But anyway, it's pretty much almost like a dead tree. You can see the center of it is really kind of like rotted out. But despite that, it's still alive and giving us this wonderful, delicious fruit, as you can see up here even. There's a bunch right above me too. Look at this guy. Man, it's so good. Look at that. It's great. Really beautiful. I love this fruit. Anyway, and I wanted to show you guys the strawberries here are finally starting to ripen as well in kind of larger numbers. I think there's more kind of up front over there, but it's looking pretty good. Sweet potatoes are looking pretty good here. Planted these out a little while ago. You guys can see them growing a little bit. Still got a long ways to go before we get a harvest out of those. I don't even know when those kind of finish up, but I got to read up on that a little bit. But anywho, you can see quite a few strawberries here. Look at this guy, it's a monster. Look at how big this guy is. That's a huge strawberry, holy smoke. Look at that. There's a nice good one in there. A couple of other ones here. Another one here. Some more in here. Some pretty good looking ones. Now I will say that despite these looking pretty nice, they definitely don't taste as sweet as the other ones, the smaller ones up front. That's why we want to really start propagating those more. And who knows, at some point I might just replace all the ones in here with that variety, because it's definitely sweeter and tastier. But for a snack right now while we're working, I think it'll be perfect. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. Oh yeah, and I think, I don't know if I mentioned it, but we're going to be using this straw for hilling the potatoes again. I think this is going to be the last time we hill them. Check out the video I did a while back. It's the first time we're growing potatoes, and I'm using a no-dig method, and hopefully that'll work out. I'm kind of preparing a longer-term video that I'll show you guys the progress as they're going, and then also the harvest at the end. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see that, and thanks for everybody for your support. Really appreciate it, and see you in another video soon. Bye. Guys, just look at this partial quick harvest. I just threw them in front of my shirt here. Man, they're so good, so sweet. I love it. There's a lot more to be had, so get planning today. See you guys. Bye.